explain the project employees and retention using machine learning. These are my team members and guided by Shivan Previous board of Shivan Nandan, Vikit, Chinmay, and these are the contents in the review. Introduction. In introduction, employee salary reduction is a key application of machine learning in HR analytics. In HR analytics, employee application is main and challenges include main equity means the unnecessary difference between the all employees and influence of experience in industry. And ML helps by estimating salaries based on data, enhancing transparency in compensation, supporting HR decisions. The problem in this problem statement, the current challenges faced is manual salary estimation leads to inconsistent and hidden bias affect pay compensation. Hidden bias is underpaid, inconveniential, lack of real-time tools to predict pay salary. The main objective is build a machine learning model that predicts employee salary, various job-related and economic futures. The data source and futures use this. The main data types use this experience. These are the attributes: experience, education, and age, and job data, location, industry, company size, and skill level. These are the we have used the data types. And the source use this agri data sets like salary data and open government or LinkedIn salary reports. We are taken the employee salary from the LinkedIn or a government source or company HR data directly collected from the HR of the company. Next experiment.
Hello everyone, myself Chinmay from AML Department C section. Here is the data set pre-processing. In this steps followed, it remove missing values and outliers and standardized numerical values. One not encoded categorical variables. It means it encoded the categorical variables and future section correlation matrix, and we use tools like Python, Pandas. Here is the model implementation. We use the languages libraries like Panda, NumPy, Python, Scriptcon, and models use linear regression. Linear regression means it is a machine learning method which is used to model the dependent variable output y and one more independent variable output input x, and decision tree regression and random forest regression. Random forest regression means it is a ensemble model which 2 or 3 persons can do and or predict the output and workflow time test with 80 by 80. This time test with 80% of data used for testing and 20% of data used for training, and case-word cross validation and grid scale search for hyperparametric learning and model training steps. In these steps, trained models using the selected features and validated using unseen data, test data, and the evolution matrix in which we used MEE mean observed error. It finds the average of employee salary and MSC mean squared error and R square, which means it finds the variance of the data. Here we can see the example result. R square is equal to 0.87. It is the variance of the data, and MAE $3,000. It is the average of the employee salary, and best model random forest regression. Next method.
Thank you so much. I am going to explain the model performance. How our model will work. First of all, visualization. Scattered plot, actual versus predicted survey. We have the difference between the actual and the predicted surveys, and the bar chart comparing error matrix. And the bar chart, we will have the bar chart, the relative difference. And the next one, the insights. The experience, job title, and education most impact salaries. Location based trend
here the experience, here the in our salary prediction explanation, we have the most one the experience, how the experienced person will have the salaries, and the second one is the job title, what the job title he has, and the last the location based things, and the way the workers is working, where the location, whether it is in a famous place like Bangalore or Mysore, like such a places we will have the most salary prediction. And the result interpretation. We have the key observation. The higher education and experience yield better salaries. The knowledgeable person will get the more salaries, and the experience yield better. And who have the more experience in the work, they will have a better salaries. And the job role and industrial significance give prediction. And the model provides near accurate estimation within $3K. Estimate means around in Indian rupees, if you have the 2,75,000 around, you will have the more accurate estimated with the salaries. And here we have the challenges and the limitations. The first challenge is incomplete or noisy data, impact reduced prediction accuracy. And solution is we have here applied data cleaning and imputations. And the second, we have the challenges feature selection complexity. And the impact is the model underperformance. And the solution is use feature important metrics. And overfitting on training data, overfitting. Poor generation of new data, under generalization and cross validation. And the last one is limited diversity data set, impact of unfair predictions, and solution collected more representative data set.
Thank you, Nandan. Myself, Sanjeev. I am from MIT. Now I shall about team learning and human connections. What work well? Team collaboration and road disturbances. Tidal forest air transmission result. Challenges faced. Complex processing of a categorical data and hyperparameter learning. Impact of a clean and biased data. Transform data and advice. Model children and using real-time HR system to update data and perform basic salary predictions, improved advanced model like XG or auto machine learning will take salary suggestion values for HR teams. The conclusion: machine learning allows HR teams with data-driven insights. It offers a fair, efficient method to estimate salary based on skills and experience, or project demonstrate the potential of AI in building resilient and efficient workplace.
How employees are predicting by using machine learning?
Done by using linear regression. Linear regression algorithm.
From where you are collecting the data from the employee?
From HR or any LinkedIn open government sources.
Now, what is the use of this prediction?
ಈಗ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೈಯರ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇರೋಕ್ಕೆ ಮೋರ್ ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರಿ ಕಂಪ್ನಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ